Good evening. This is Dr. Millison. I know some students have trouble finding the right videos for the spelling activity, so I'm going to walk you through that. You want to start by going into our course, and then under modules, you're going to find everything you need for any of the online activities. So I'm going to scroll till I find the spelling activity, which is for 4-1, and so here it is, and there's a link to a Reading Rockets video. So I'm going to need that link. I'm also going to use this response page. So that's a Word document that you can download and click. You can type right on it and save it. And then the spelling activity or assignment, that's where you're going to submit the Word document when you're finished. So I'm just going to walk you through how to find the right videos. So we're going to click on Reading Rockets Spelling Videos. And then I have to follow the external link, so I'm going to do that. And then it's going to take me to the spelling and word study page. And then when I scroll down, here's where the video lives. And there's actually a menu bar here. So I can click down, and then here you can see all the different spelling videos. So we're actually watching spelling patterns, spelling rules, and then the video, I believe it's on word families, and then this one that's called spelling. So you don't have to watch all 8 videos. Please don't watch all 8. Just watch those selected ones. And those are also listed in the assignment and in the announcement that was sent to you with the details for this week's learning. This is the spelling rules video. I think some folks were having a hard time finding that one. So I hope this helps you, that you can find what you need. If you have any questions, always please email me or use the question and answer discussion board. That's where you'll find this video, and that's where you can find other information you might need. So I miss seeing you guys. I hope that you're doing well. Thanks.